Burwood student accommodation for over 1 week now, and I would say I've definitely settled in, starting to get a routine, starting to get used to living somewhere that's not my family home. And it's great. Been going to heaps of events, made some new friends. So currently what's happening today, there's quite a few events on that the residential services are holding. There is a continental breakfast at 10. I've had a light snack to hold me over because that's quite a late breakfast, but it's like a free breakfast with the aim of zero waste, so you bring your own bowls and cutlery. And then I'm also going bowling today, like some zone bowling place. That should be fun. And then there's a silent disco and barbecue on today. And so in the weeks leading up to university, yeah, that's basically been what's happening. The residential services have been holding like so many events, and I've been going to as many as I can. Some have limited spots, so some I haven't been able to go to, some just didn't interest me. But I've been to quite a few, and it's been great. It's a great chance to meet new people and just engage in lots of fun activities, hang out. And then there's a creek trail nearby that I'm starting to go on walks almost every day with a group of people, which is a nice way to get some morning exercise in and just hang out while doing so. So life's going well so far, and then this week is like prepare week for international students for the uni, and I think there might be a couple of other events for all students, I'm not sure. And then next week is O week, so I'm doing quite a few orientation events. I got a calendar because I joined the Deakin University Student Association, and handwriting's very messy and it's quite small spaces, but I've got Essentials for Health thing Monday, Introduction to Nutrition Science on the Tuesday, studying at uni and studying overseas on the Wednesday, and I think I messed up a bit there. Nutrition Science Connections, which would be a great chance for some people studying the same degree as me. That's the course I'm doing, Bachelor of Nutrition Science, but I haven't actually met anyone doing the same degree as me. Like, no doubt I know people that'll do like some of the same units in their specific degrees, but not nutrition science specifically. So hopefully those sessions might be a good chance to meet some new people doing the same degree as me, because that'd be nice, because I'll probably have classes with them. What's the time? It's just after 9:30, the breakfast starts at 10, but I am going to go and get my student ID. I've been meaning to do it this past week, or since I got here pretty much, but I just haven't been bothered, haven't found the time, so I'm gonna do it now, and then by the time I get back from that, the breakfast event probably would have started. So that's the plan right now. That was a fail. There was literally no one there, so that's fantastic. So I'll try again later today, perhaps when I get back from bowling, or sometime during the continental breakfast, because that event's like 2 hours, so I don't need to stay for the whole 2 hours for that breakfast. But I do want to get it done today. Like, I just want to get it done. I've been putting it off for so long. I finally went down and did it. I finally went down to go and do it, and there was no one there. But for now, I'm going to head down to the zero waste continental breakfast. The breakfast was good. It was pretty much just cereal, fruit, and some confectionery stuff like muffins and donuts. So I got myself a little feast and an instant cappuccino. It'll do, but I've got about just over half an hour before we need to meet to leave for the bowling trip, to try and do my student ID again. Hopefully there's someone there this time. It's a bit later. Like, they open, the student central's opening hours at 9, and I went there at like 9:45 and no one was there, so don't know what's going on there, but I'm gonna try and get it sorted, determined to get it sorted, and then relax with a nice bowling trip, which will be cool. fun. Obviously I'm not the best at it. I don't have the best aim or technique, but that was my first time bowling properly, I think. Like, I've done an at-home bowling where I try to knock over the bowling pin from a distance, but never an actual bowling alley, so I think I did alright. Like, I at least got some pins over in some rounds, but I had fun, so that's the main thing. And I'm just gonna hang around here for a bit until it's time to go to the silent disco barbecue. Got my student ID as well, so that's all sorted, which is going to make some things a lot easier for stuff I have to do on campus. And yeah, looks like everything is all sorted. That was my first ever silent disco. Ended up connecting my playlist to one of the channels. Not many people were on that channel anyway, so thought, why not? Jammed out some of my own tunes. I don't know what others that occasionally turn to that channel would have thought of my music taste, but you know, whatever. They are welcome to put in their own playlist or change the channel. And then there was a barbecue there as well, where I had some vegan sausages and bread. And now I'm going to have a bit of a movie night with some of my friends in the movie room right near the disco. We're going to watch a Disney experimental era movie. We haven't decided on which one yet, but it'll be one of those ones within that category. So that should be fun. So I'm going to get some snacks and then we'll have a little movie night. And it should be fun. I also joined the Deakin University Student Association, or DUSA for short. Let's turn it around so you can... I don't know, it is the right way around because I'm looking through a mirror. There you go, this is the hoodie. But yeah, I decided to join the Student Association. So for any paid events, you get access to discounts and you get special events tailored to you. There's lots of perks to being a Student Association member, so I thought might as well sign up and see what opportunities come my way while I'm a member here. And yeah, get this nifty little hoodie, which is pretty cool. I got an extra large as I like my hoodies to be baggy, almost like an hoodie, and just so comfy and perfect for the winter time or just any cold weather really. And another hoodie to add to the collection. So it's a great deal.